Hey guys, happy Friday here. It's Mrs. Ernst, and today we're going to go over Friday's instructions um, for you guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I hope to see you soon. So for Friday, we have a read aloud with Stein. He wanted to do his turn for read aloud, so I figure we'll keep that up every week. I'll switch dogs. So next week will be Axel. But he really enjoyed this read aloud, and I think you guys will as well. Afterwards, we have iStation reading for 30 minutes. Please make sure that you are getting on. For foundational, we have a quiz paper. So this is your quiz paper that you're going to have to print out or edit on PDF. And this is a YouTube video that has your test on there, okay? So I'm going to be saying some words, and you're going to have to write your answers on this quiz paper. For STEM time, we're making planes from bottles. I thought this would be a fun little activity that you can make a plane from a bottle, and your kids could take it outside and go play with them. So this is a fun, simple activity you can do with your child. Afterwards is math. Please remember, I've already talked about this, that we're practicing addition and subtraction. So you have all the choice board, you have all these websites you can go explore, or having them get on iStation Math, which is already a must. So have them get on iStation Math for 30 minutes and then get on Prodigy as a substitute for maybe if you don't want to do any of these things, then you can have them get on Prodigy, okay? I know it says no Prodigy today, but I'm making an exception to that rule. Here's my contact information and the QR codes as always if you need them. Have a fun, fabulous Friday, guys. Bye.